this is Nina Perez and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. Today is Saturday. It is 46 degrees. It is freezing. So, but we're good. We're good. We're out here. We're going to do this thing. There's not many of us today. I think some people punked out. That's okay. PJ should be here shortly, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you press like on the video and share. We're trying to grow this healthy community and trying to get everybody on board to become more healthy, no matter what age, gender, no matter what sex, nothing. We just want everybody to be healthy. Don't forget to pick up your journal. You can pick that up on Amazon, and visit our website at memoirsofafatgirl.live. There's a bunch of recipes on there and videos and merchandise and all kinds of stuff that you can go ahead and check out. So please leave any comments below if you have any questions. If you would like to be a part of our community, please email me at hello@memoirsofafatgirl.live. You won't regret it. This is a lot of fun, but we're gonna go ahead and get started because we got to get warmed up here. So I'll see you in a bit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This was episode 60. Episode 60, I can't believe it. And it was all girl power. PJ couldn't come, that's okay. We had our paper, we had my hubby behind the camera who was yelling out what we should do, so it was awesome. And all the women that could come out came out, which was really cool. So for number 60, it was girl power out here, girl power. So we are going to continue this probably through the winter and so on. I have a really long journey ahead of me, so please make sure that you email me at hello@memoirsofafat.live. I'll give you all the information that you need for either the merchandise, for being part of the boot camp, anything that you need. I'll make sure to link PJ's information also below if you're looking for somebody to do personal training in the local area. So please don't forget to pick up your journal. That's going to help you on this journey for health. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, click like and share the video. I'm trying to grow this healthy community. More great recipes are going to be coming your way, more videos and so on. So if you guys have something that you want to see me talk about or discuss, I am going to start my podcast. My podcast is starting soon, and it's going to be based on health and wellness and how to lose weight and the challenges that you go through when you are overweight. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is Nina Perez, your host here at Memoirs of a Fat Girl. Until next time, fat out.